CATR was first suggested to us by Forrest's physical therapist. I definitely remember the first lesson. As somebody that's always wanting to push Forrest into like full-on courage and new braver things, I was like, why are these people so careful? And then when they sat him up on that like 5-6 foot horse in the air, I was like, okay, now I'm understanding why they're being so protective.
Very first day he came out here, he had a connection with Bonsai, and he spends a lot of time on the ground with him, just brushing him and letting him smell him and just forming that kind of connection.
Thank you, Bonsai, for carrying me on your back.
Once he got comfortable, it was just having fun and watching him joke up there and just genuinely be happy on the horse. Which was really fun to see him go from being uncomfortable to so comfortable that he could make jokes. Being up so tall in the air doing something so regal has given him confidence in ways that are hard to quantify. We have grown examples, thanks to social media, of adults with bodies very similar to Forrest that are living lives that are completely fulfilled and independent. The sum total of everything we're doing right now is creating almost complete independence for him, which was our goal. He has a way of humbling all of us and reminding us what's possible. In his own way, kind of ripping our hearts open and reminding us of what matters. To be around adults that do not look at the world or seem to look at the world in terms of how things should be or what is normal. The way they see and relate to Forrest and the way they treat Forrest and I is just with the highest respect and kindness possible. To know that there are people that can relate in that way from the heart.